like what you got, give me that. Do you like what you got, give me that. The way you should feel me, let me love you, say give me. And for me son, that's just a Chris Breezy that shell it. You know, be a woman a scream, a man a bust blank. I want you. T, you miss it.
Me miss it?
Yeah, you miss it because I can't believe. I tell you some have your ticket and you don't come and a chef solo chef up the place. If you miss Chris Brown concert, babes.
Because Chris Brown is not my artist.
What? You're the first woman. I say Chris Brown and them artists. Something wrong with you. So, how are you artist? Dexter Daps?
No, babe. I like Dexter Daps music, but he's not my artist.
Oh, make sure. So, who are your artists?
Neo.
Neo? So that means that if Neo come to Jamaica, you have a scream and go along bad like them woman don't see a Chris Brown concert.
Usually I know better than that. I'm not those type of girl. I just rating music, I'm a loving dance man. That's it.
Okay. So you can dance like Neo? Cause do you want me can dance like Chris Brown in African? Give me that. Give me that.
You're not even reach halfway a Chris Brown music. Listen to me. Just stick to cooking.
I know so this man, but no yourself. I say go because I know say same so people tell Chris Brown stop it dancing. I never stop.
No, babe. But just I tell you, say you're a better chef than a dancer. Come, take me down.
I can't manage you put on only for weight in the phone and you know so you eat from the
Okay, babe. Make sure I put on weight when I'm ready tonight.
Oh, Lord, I'm take it up, man. I learn. No, sir. The light.
Stop it.
There. Yeah, so as I said before, it's true. So babes, you tell me say Patsy come today to check stock and everything there. You sure she'll come?
You're supposed to so come, I don't know she not reach it.
But she'll come.
And
she not get a story.
wait, hold on. Babe, now what the road now? But soon come back.
But my dad did cup soup here, so whenever you want it.
When we come back,
Alright.
we make a coffee for you.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna need about 1 dozen flashlights, yeah. You're gonna need half a dozen cup soap. Oh yeah. See them something here? You see them little Jilla, the big Jill, them and them sell half, so you definitely have to go fix that. And how could I forget? You see Gatorade? We're gonna need more. You're gonna need about 2 cases. Because for some reason, somebody just come in at the shop and I'm not stop buying the something.
I wonder who drink off all of the Gatorade in Patsy.
I have no idea who come buy all of the Gatorade. All I know is me pay for them anytime me take them. Anyway, we need pot. Yeah. Because me don't know for some reason. Come like everybody, every woman in this community, every day they say me red. They're gonna need about 6 more of them, yeah.
Patsy, you have some vulgar with it?
Vulgar? Vulgar with what? What vulgar about when I saw a while ago?
You can't just a sanitary napkin like a right on it.
Must that right on it? A pod.